There is a weirdly specific joy in assembling a miniature version of your own cat out of tiny plastic pieces. It is the kind of project that keeps you busy on a rainy Sunday afternoon and leaves you with a quirky tribute to your favorite pet. You have probably seen those ads for HelloBricko recently. They promise custom building block sets that look exactly like your golden retriever or a bouquet of flowers that never wilts. It sounds like a dream for anyone who loves hobby kits and personalized gifts. The website looks sharp and professional. It does not feel like those fly-by-night operations that disappear after a week. They take major credit cards and PayPal. That is usually a good sign for any online retail site. But when you are dealing with personalized items, the rules of the game change. You are not just buying a box off a shelf. You are commissioning a tiny piece of art. This means the timeline is going to be quite long. You cannot expect it to arrive in 2 days. Custom production takes serious time. You have to wait for the design phase and the brick sorting. Then comes the shipping from across the globe. This is where people usually get nervous. They see a week go by without a tracking update and start to worry. You have to be patient with these kinds of orders. Before you hit that buy button, you should really dig into the fine print on the website. Personalized items are almost never returnable. If you change your mind after the factory starts, you might be stuck with it. That is why I always suggest starting small. Do not go out and buy a massive expensive collection on your first go. Try one small pet model first. See how the bricks feel in your hands. Check if the colors are right and vibrant. Some of these off-brand bricks can be a bit hit or miss with how they click together. You want pieces that stay put and do not fall apart when you move them. You also want instructions that actually make sense. There is nothing worse than getting halfway through a build and realizing the diagram is a total mess. I highly suggest looking for reviews on independent sites. Do not just trust the 5-star testimonials on their own homepage. People will talk about missing pieces or customer service delays on public forums. Those are the real stories you need to hear. If you do decide to jump in, use a credit card or PayPal for the transaction. Those platforms offer a solid safety net. If the box never shows up or looks nothing like the photo, you can actually get your money back through a dispute. It gives you that necessary peace of mind while you wait for your package. The verdict on this one is pretty straightforward. It looks like a legitimate business. It is not an obvious scam setup. However, it requires a bit of savvy shopping on your part. You're trading convenience for something unique. Just make sure you know exactly what you are signing up for before you hand over your hard-earned cash. The world of custom building blocks is huge right now. It is a fun way to celebrate a pet or a hobby. Just keep your expectations realistic regarding the wait times and the labor involved. If you go in with your eyes open, you will likely end up with a cool little model on your shelf. It might even become your favorite conversation piece in the living room. Just remember to read those shipping policies one more time before you click confirm. It saves a lot of stress in the long run. Taking 10 minutes to research now will save you hours of frustration later. Check the production schedules. Watch for the seasonal delays. Then you can enjoy the building process without any nagging doubts.